What if you could buy your next home before you sell your current one? Let's explore how to navigate this process effectively, including a program that pays you the cash amount of 75% of your home's equity upfront and then pays you the proceeds after we sell it. Have you been thinking about moving to a different area or perhaps closer to family? Or maybe you've gotten a note from a flipper asking you to sell your home fast for cash, and you thought, that would be convenient. Well, we have a program called Pinnacle Forward that lets you unlock the equity in your home before you sell so you could purchase your next one. And the best part, we then remodel your home to attract the highest possible price. And then once your old renovated home sells, you get to enjoy the profits after renovation costs and broker fees. This is not a bridge loan. It's not a HELOC, not an iBuyer offer. You keep the upside once we remodel your home and sell it. Scheduling a consultation for this program is free, comes with no obligation. If you want to hear more about this program, call us today.